In this video we are going to learn how to install Android on Kindle. The first thing that you are supposed to do with your Kindle is jailbreak. You will be given the link how to jailbreak the Kindle, or it may be given in comment section. The next one is install Cowl on Kindle. So you are also supposed to install Cowl. After the jailbreak you can install Cowlbreak, and then you are supposed to download zip file for your Kindle model and unzip it. Okay, so zip file, for suppose you have Kindle 7th basic, so you are supposed to download Kindle basic zip that is given in link. You will get that link in comment. The fourth one, you are supposed to install ADB driver on PC, and the fifth one is connect Kindle to PC. Okay, after doing all these things, then the final steps comes when you connect Kindle to PC. Now open U-boot folder means this you have downloaded the zip file, and in the zip file you will get U-boot folder. Okay, and you will see two folder in that U-boot folder: extension zip, and the second one is main HTML viewer tar.gz. Okay, so what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to unzip extension zip to your Kindle root directory. Okay, so not in any folder, directly you should copy and paste, but you are supposed to unzip extension file. And the second folder, that is main HTML viewer tar.gz. Okay, you should copy that folder in the same directory. Okay, so I just would like to repeat it again. When you unzip this downloaded file, you will get two folder. Okay, one which is of firmware, means Android firmware. The second one is U-boot, and in U-boot you will get two folder. One is extension zip, and second one is main HTML viewer. Okay, so you are supposed to unzip extension zip in root directory of Kindle, and the second one just copy and paste without any kind of extraction. You are supposed to copy and paste. The seventh process is that unplug your USB, open Cowl, and choose Flash Android entry. Okay, so when you do this, after copy and paste of extension and HTML viewer, you are supposed to unplug the USB, and then already you have installed Cowl, so you will open Cowl, and you will be able to find the Flash Android entry on Cowl. Okay, so you are supposed to only just choose Flash Android. Okay, then what will happen, let us see. Your Kindle will reboot automatically and will get stuck while loading progress bar. That's normal. Okay, so Kindle automatically reboots but it gets stuck while loading. Okay, so at the same time, what you are supposed to do when it stucks, open firmware folder on your PCs. Okay, so in this zip file there is another firmware folder, so you are supposed to open it. Okay, and connect your Kindle to PC again. So at the same time, you are supposed to, when the Kindle is stuck, but you are supposed to connect it to the PC, and then run start bat. So there is another, means in firmware folder there is start bat folder, so you are supposed to just click on that folder, means you are supposed to enter. Okay, start bat, and then what, press the power button of Kindle until yellow light flashes. So in the same time what your Kindle is stuck. Okay, so you are supposed to press the power button until yellow light flashes. the install script should detect your Kindle automatically. Type 8 for dual boot. Okay, so when you type 8, that will be dual boot. Okay, so that's how you can install Android on your Kindle. Thank you.